Des.
Hi.
Hello, it's Des and Jeff Watch Stuff again. And today we're going to talk about a few things we've been watching. Now, Des was like, I don't know if they're going to really be into anything I'm watching. But I'm like, I think it's pretty interesting. You think it's interesting? I think it's interesting. So this episode, we're going to talk about something that you have been watching and, of course, something I've been watching. So you can go first. What have you been watching in the last couple of weeks?
I've been watching Secrets of the Zoo.
Oh, okay. Well, hey, you're an animal lover, you know.
I do love those shows.
So tell me about the Secrets of the Zoo.
Well, you know, they go to different zoos. I think
Each what?
each season is...
How much have you been drinking, Desiree?
Not
enough. Okay.
So each season they go to a different zoo.
I know why you stopped, because you heard a big loud thump from the other room, because our dogs are crazy.
Yeah, and I was just waiting for the crash that was going to follow, and it didn't.
Oh, it's just a boy. It's just a Russian boy. Our dog, he's Russian. It's okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Secrets of the Zoo, he's not in the zoo. He's not in this show.
No.
So they go around the zoos. It's like a reality show about
they
how they
just
take care
follow
of
around the
animals.
zookeepers, and it's really interesting because you get to see all the cute things the animals do and how they take care of them and everything that they eat and how they prepare that, which is really neat. I like that stuff.
We were watching the one last night. You know, your black dog is really eating everything over
Can
there.
you not eat that?
Black dog.
Lena.
Our little puppy Lena likes to chew on stuff, and she's chewing on stuff right on the other side of the camera. So the other night we were watching it, and there was a sick tiger.
Yes.
His tongue was hanging out on everything.
Well, he was under anesthesia.
You know, it's funny.
Yeah.
It's
fine, by the way.
He's good. I mean, it was just he had a funny face on because he's like, you know. Other than that, you know, it was quite serious. He had a intestinal problem.
Yeah.
So if you like animals, you like zoos, that's one to watch, right?
Yes.
Yeah, and where can you find that? I don't even know. Pluto?
That's on Disney Plus.
Oh, Disney Plus. Okay.
Yeah, that's on Nat Geo, I think. So.
Now I'll say really quickly. I know I'm like 3-4 years late on this one, but I started watching Barry, the show called Barry on HBO Max, which is fantastic. I'm hooked on it. Barry is a bored hitman who accidentally ends up in LA and wants to be an actor because he falls in love with this girl. But so he's juggling like two worlds, his two lives. One of the life of a hitman and one that he's in love with this girl. It's kind of like the movie Grosse Point Blank that you don't remember watching because he fell asleep. Kind of like that, but it's not with John Cusack. Yeah. And it doesn't have like an 80s theme or anything like that, but it's good. No, you know what? The main actor, slipping my mind. He's a comedian. He's funny. Bill Hader. That's who it is. There you go. Excellent show. I'm only on like episode 7, but I think once we're done right here, I'm gonna go watch more.
Okay.
After I cook dinner.
You know what else I watched the other night?
What?
I watched that documentary they did on Waco. Compound.
David Koresh. Not the same kind of compound that we have around here. No. You know, because I always introduce the show coming from deep within the Latimer compound is where we live. But no, it's not the same.
No, there's not a ton of other people here because I couldn't handle that.
Yeah. No, there's not a lot of people here anymore. Now that you moved in. Yeah. Was that fascinating?
I heard that. Yes, it was actually. It was.
You know, David Koresh was a creep. He was a psycho, but he was a really good guitar player, apparently. He was in like a failed metal band, which, you know, it's kind of like Marilyn Manson. It's kind of like, what's that guy's name? Charlie Manson.
Yeah.
He wrote music like, you know, for the Beach Boys and stuff. And, you know, and his music and lyrics and him, it was something like that. You can't separate the artist from the art, though, because, you know, David Koresh was not a nice person.
No, but it's fascinating how even to this day, people that survived that still believe in him and are worried that by leaving the compound that they've doomed themselves all these years later. And the FBI and all those people that came in, it's amazing. They are still holding tight to what they did, whether it was right or wrong. So.
And where is this on? Where did you find this? On Netflix?
I think this was
Maybe?
Netflix. Yeah.
Okay, well, whatever. You can find it on some streaming service. There's a billion of them, I'm sure. You know. So there you go. Des and Jeff watch stuff. There's a bunch of good stuff you can see. If you haven't checked out the zoo show, it's fun. The zoo show is fun.
Yeah, and the aquarium. I was watching the aquarium first. That's even more fun because of all the little penguins and
penguins
sea
are
lions.
Hilarious. Oh my God, when they walk and they like the part on the zoo thing when the lady was letting all the penguins in the door.
Yep.
And they're all waddling in. They're all
like
happy.
to go see their friends.
It's cute. It's cute. Then I turn on Barry and Barry's shooting people in the head.
And I'm watching penguins.
All right, I like this Barry show. It's good. All right, we'll see you later.
Okay.
Bye. Toledo Vineyards, here now. Good stuff.
It's gonna be bye-bye wine, isn't it?
Yeah, I gotta eat something first.